Welcome back. So this is gonna be another cooking video. I thank you all so much. You all really enjoyed the last one. It has over 100 views, and that's amazing for me. I can't thank you enough. So here's another one. We're gonna be making a smoked sausage dish. Sorry. It's one of the staples in our house. We have this at least once every other week. It's smoked sausage, potatoes, or fried potatoes, onions. Smoked sausage, sauerkraut, fried potatoes, and onions. There we go. So without further ado, let's get started. So what you will need is some sauerkraut. At the store they didn't have any big cans, so we just got 3 small ones. Some salt and pepper, some vegetable oil, some skinless smoked sausage, some potatoes, a half an onion, a well-seasoned cast iron. Let me say it again. A well-seasoned cast iron. How you season it, there's many videos, just look one up. That's what a well-seasoned look like. That's what a well-seasoned look like. Shiny, kind of good. What a not seasoned, dull, kind of looking rusty, shiny, and a pot. Okay, so without further ado, let's peel and wash these potatoes. Oh, sorry, that's not ready. But first, before I fix this problem here, because I think I forgot a step, fill the bottom of the cast iron about yay much of oil. Just enough to fill up the bottom. And let's go on ahead and fix this problem. So now that the potatoes are nice peeled, washed, and sliced, you want them to be that thick, thinner maybe. You're going to want to take your half of an onion and dice it. Okay. So you're gonna cut it down the root. Dang. Those are going to be some thin onions, I tell you what. Cut it down the center, up top. Now just careful where you cut. I cannot stress it enough. Be sure to tuck your fingers in when you're dealing with these knives. I was camera nervous and I didn't. And as you saw the result, the sharp knife cut my thumb. Be sure to just do that if you're slicing anything or dealing with any sort of sharp object. Gotta go clean that up. So now that I cleaned that up, that was just bad knifesmanship on my part. Let's just go on ahead and dice them. You see, I almost did it again. Camera nervous. That's all. I'm usually better than this. So what you're going to do is take your onions. Yeah, I'm going to change the angle real quick. Take the onions, put them on your potatoes. You're then going to turn the oven on with some salt and pepper on them. And if you feel like it, garlic salt, but I'm not feeling that today. And then you're going to take a lid. You're then going to take your 3 packs of smoked sausage and open them up. Alright, so now that they're open, you're going to take 2 at a time, or you can do 1 at a time, it doesn't matter. Potatoes are going to take a while to cook. And you're going to cut them into decently thin slices. So now that they all look like that, we're going to take them, throw it into the pot. Hang on, keep dropping it. Are the dogs out of their kennel? Okay, hang on. Yep, I dropped it on the ground, so that's what dogs are here for, right? And there goes another. Jarvis. Damn, that's hot. There you go. There you go, Jarvis. I did not do that on purpose, no. Alright, so now that they're in the pot, you're going to take your cans and open them with this hunk of junk can opener. Guess here we go. Alright, so I'm going to flip the potatoes real quick. The lid's probably going to be hot. This is my least favorite part of the meal, flipping the potatoes. I always like to mess it up and potatoes usually go flying everywhere. Face full of steam. Oh, that's a crispy potato. Cans are now open. Let's... Paper. Don't want that in there. I'm actually going to need that knife. Where is the spoon? So you're going to take that, put it on the heat, let that cook down. Let's go ahead and stir the potatoes one last time. One last time, like this is going to be the last time they're going to be stirred. I think not. That's going to be hot. As you can see, some of them got a little crispy. It's okay, because we like crispy potatoes. And now we wait. Okay, so we had to strain the potatoes. So, actually I'm going to bring that bowl closer to the... Okay. Let's move the spatula out of the way. Strain the potatoes, put them back in the pan. It's a cast iron, so it's still going to be really hot. These are almost done. No, I think it is. Ah! Today is my off day, as you can see. So these look pretty done. Those are done. I guess let's get on to the plating. Dog. Here's the finished product. Hope you all enjoyed watching it. I had fun making it. I got a little cut, but today was just an off day for me, and nothing seemed to work. I'm not camera ready. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to enjoy this, so here's a bite, and see ya.